Life on Earth is a beautiful and interconnected web. Every living thing, from the smallest insect to the largest whale, plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. One way we can understand this interconnectedness is through the study of food chains and food webs. Imagine a vast network of connections where each organism is linked to another by what it eats and what eats it. This is the essence of food chains and food webs. They help us understand the flow of energy and nutrients within an ecosystem. By learning about these fascinating systems, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and fragility of life on our planet. We can then make more informed choices to protect the natural world and ensure the survival of all species, including our own. So let's embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of food chains and food webs and discover the intricate connections that sustain life as we know it. A food chain is like a chain reaction in nature. It shows us the linear pathway of energy transfer from one living organism to another. It all starts with the sun. Plants, being the primary producers, harness the sun's energy to make their own food through photosynthesis. Think of a simple food chain in a grassland, grass to grasshopper to frog to snake. Here, the grass is the producer, the grasshopper is the primary consumer, herbivore, the frog is the secondary consumer, carnivore, and the snake is the tertiary consumer, top predator. Each arrow in the food chain represents the flow of energy from one organism to the next. The energy originally captured by the grass is passed on to the grasshopper, then to the frog, and finally to the snake. While food chains provide a basic understanding of energy flow, they are oversimplifications of what actually happens in nature. In reality, ecosystems are much more complex, with organisms feeding on multiple food sources. This is where food webs come in. A food web is a network of interconnected food chains. It shows the many different feeding relationships within an ecosystem. For example, in a forest, a deer doesn't just eat one type of plant. It might graze on grasses, shrubs, and even tree leaves. Similarly, a hawk doesn't just eat rabbits. It might also prey on mice, snakes, or other birds. These interconnected relationships create a complex web of interactions that is more representative of real-life ecosystems. Food webs highlight the interconnectedness of life. They demonstrate how a change in the population of one species can have ripple effects throughout the entire ecosystem. Food chains and food webs are crucial for maintaining ecological balance. They regulate populations, control the flow of energy, and ensure the cycling of nutrients within an ecosystem. If one link in the food chain is broken, it can have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. For example, if a disease wipes out a large population of rabbits, it will affect the populations of their predators, like foxes and owls. Understanding food chains and food webs helps us appreciate the delicate balance of nature. By protecting habitats, conserving biodiversity, and making responsible choices, we can contribute to the health and stability of these vital systems.